I'm Katie, and this is Living in the Now. On my channel, I talk about everyday manifesting, stories and examples to help you to manifest everything you desire. So I woke up this morning with this on my mind, and I thought I'd share it with you. What's living in the end really mean? Have you heard them say that a lot? Live in the end. Live in the end. If you live in the end, you get your desire. So start by understanding these two things. Number 1, your thoughts create. And number 2, everything is a story. Your thoughts create means anything you think and make dominant can become true for you. My dominant thought is that I say what I want and it happens. I always get what I want. So that has now become true for me. When I say what I want, I focus on it for seconds and feel I'll have it as I say it. And then I add in certain elements, like that it comes to me, that it happens fast, that it happens easy. Then I feel it will happen, and I'll have it. Then this has worked for me every single time now. Everything is a story, so look at your stories. I can't find a boyfriend. Money is hard to get. I want this desire, but I don't feel I'll have it or get it. I don't think they want me anymore. All that is a story. And your stories become true. And your dominant thoughts create. So changing the thoughts and story will lead you to living in the end and getting your desire. I don't really like the words living in the end. Instead of living in the end, change that to knowing I'll get my desire. Knowing it'll happen. That makes more sense to me. So how can I know it'll happen? I know because I know my thoughts create, and everything is a story. So I make a new wanted story that helps me to know I'll get my desire. Knowing I'll get my desire, and that my desire will happen, is living in the end. So if I make a new wanted story instead that said, finding a boyfriend is easy for me now. I want a boyfriend to come to me and find me exactly where I am now. I want money to come to me and find me exactly where I am now. I want free money now. I want to be healed from my illness now. I want a new car now. I want getting a new car to be easy for me now. See how these stories and thoughts are now making you feel you will have your desire? If you make these thoughts that make you feel you will have your desire be more dominant, then they can happen. So as I feel and know it'll happen, because anything I say in my thoughts and my wanted story and make dominant will happen, then I'm positive, I'm sure, and I'm confident it will happen. And that's living in the end. Living in the end is thinking and knowing your desire will happen. So in everyday life, that feels like ease, like you're calm and secure, like you're emotionally stable. Like, yes, I'll have it. Now what? Now I'll read a book. Now I'll save money. Now I'll go hang with some friends because I know I'll have my desire soon. So if I wanted a desire, I decide what I want. I want a new relationship partner. And my thoughts create, and everything is a story. So I'd make a new story and thoughts that makes me feel and know I will have my desire. That I'll have it, and that it will happen soon. I do that by the words in my wanted story. Like I want them to come to me and find me exactly where I am now. Which often replaces I don't know where to get it. Or how it'll happen. I add in my wanted story that they stand out to me. So then it happens and I see them. I add that it will be easy. Adding these types of thoughts to it makes you more confident and sure it can happen. Can happen. Will happen. Feel I have it now, or will have it soon, are the inner feelings that you're going for. These replace the old story that's preventing your desire from happening. So do I say my wanted story all day, every day, intensely, and tons of times to get what I want? And the answer to that is no. You'd say it once and see how you feel. Do you feel you'll have your desire? If not, adjust the words to make you feel that you will have it. Then if it does make you feel that you'll have it, then that's good. Then say it once with confidence, like you're claiming it. Like, this is what I want, and I'll get it now. And all I have to do is say this desire once, and it will happen for me now. Which is also good to add to your wanted story. So if you said what you wanted, you focused on it as you said it, you feel you have it now or will have it, you see yourself with it, or that you'll get it and have it soon, then that's the process. So now, since you feel and think you'll get it, now what? What would you do if you had it now? Or if you were getting your desire soon? It's just like a package you ordered in the mail. You decided on what you wanted and focused on it. You said, yes, I want that, and clicked buy now. You chose that as what you wanted from all that is. You said you want it, and to come to you exactly where you are now. And you know that it's coming and that it will happen. That's the feeling and thoughts and energy you want to have with every desire. Then since you know it's going to happen, what would you do as you wait for your package? What would you do in your everyday normal life? You'd probably live normally with no bad thoughts about it. You'd probably be calm and happy. Or you think about it and you think, yes, I'll have that. It'll happen soon, if it does come to mind. Or try to think about if you had your desire right now. If you had money now, maybe you'd open a new bank account to save it. Or you'd go spend time with friends or family and do other things. If you had a relationship partner right now, then what? If you had it now or would have it soon, what would you be doing? Maybe enjoying your time alone before they come. Maybe saving money for dates. Getting a better job or doing things that make you feel good about you. That knowing you will have your desires soon, that it will happen because you said you wanted it and focused on the having of it, and the thinking and feeling you will have it, then living normal daily with those thoughts is living in the end. Feeling you have it now or will have it is the key to manifesting anything. Then things get arranged for you, and it happens. You get led to it internally, or it gets led and brought to you and shows up and happens and manifests. Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe to see when more videos come out. I'm currently working on a course that explains everything and how to manifest step by step, so look forward to that. I also offer email coaching, so see the link below. Thanks for watching!